if you've not been here before, I have built a 40 by 72 pole barn, which I've enclosed 24 feet of it, and I've conditioned the space. So we use spray foam insulation, and I've got metal interior walls, but I have a heat pump in here that will hopefully keep it cool in the summer and warm in the winter. But I've got 14 feet ceilings in here, and so I wanted something to sort of circulate the air and move that air back. Summertime, basically move it around, and then in the winter, push that heat back down. So I have purchased a 120-inch high volume ceiling fan made by Bannon. I ordered this off of Northern Tool, but there's supposed to be a high volume, sort of low speed. You're not supposed to get a lot of wind from it. Basically, this is just to circulate the air in the room. So I'm gonna unbox this thing and I'm gonna try to stick it up, and let's see if it'll move some air. All right, if you order one of these things, it comes in 2 boxes. I'm assuming this has got our fan motor in it, and then you get the blades, comes in a second box. So you're gonna get 2 boxes. Let's hope everything's in here and see if we can get it put up. All right, here's what you get in the box. Obviously, we've got our fan motor, your hardware, your electrical connections. Guess these are all the little bolts to connect all your blades. This is an 8-blade fan, but here's what the blades look like. So we got 8 of them to put up. Comes with a 2-foot down rod, and then here's your canopy, goes up at your ceiling connection, and then here is your remote receiver. It is a remote control fan, so there's your remote and your little housing to mount to the wall, and obviously you got your manual. So that's what comes in the 2 boxes. Well, there's a lot of stuff to squeeze in this cover, but I got everything in there. This was operated by remote control, so this is the little antenna. So they tell you to make sure it's outside your cover. So luckily with this metal, I got this groove in here, so I was able to hang it out. So we're ready now to put some blades on. These fan blades are pretty big on this thing, so one thing it helps get you one bolt started. Then you can just clamp it down and just sort of hold it for you. That way you can go ahead and get the rest of your bolts in. Makes life a whole lot easier, especially when you're about 12 foot off the ground. All right, we got her put up. Let's see if she'll run. Brantley, flip the switch on. All right, Palin, do the honors. Hey baby, she's gonna run. Now let's just see if the blades will keep from coming off. Knocking a hole in the wall. But as for now, it looks like it's gonna hold together. So that's on what setting, Palin?
Number 1.
So that's on 1. It's a 6-speed fan, in which it's reversible. So right now it's sort of pushing the air down. So that would be probably the setting we would use in the winter time. So we'll cut it off, stop it, we'll flip the switch, and then we'll reverse it, and we'll just see if it'll circulate the air. Because if right now on 1, standing down here beneath it, you can feel the air hitting you. So we're gonna cut it off and reverse it. All right, I've changed the direction in which that's in speed 6. So it's moving pretty good, and it's moving some air. But we're gonna use this thing for a few days, and then I'll give you my opinion. Well, it's been about 3 weeks ago since I shot that video installing the fan, and since then we've actually moved inside the space for the time being, and I'll tell you, I'm well pleased with that fan. I probably like it better than anything I've done up here. We've got a heat pump in here, but what I've run it on is around the 2nd speed, and I run it in reverse, so it just churns the air. You don't pick up a strong breeze from it, but you can feel that air churning. It just feels like the AC's running the whole time. But in the winter time, I'll probably flip it back around, run it on a 1 or 2 speed to push that heat back down to the floor. But I'll tell you, if you run it on 6, it'll blow the hat off your head. So it'll move some air. But if you need something, this is a 24 by 30 space. I've got it hung about 12 feet high. But if you got a bigger space and want to move some air, I'd recommend it. As for a review, I'll give it a good one at this point. Like I say, I've had it 3 weeks. Every time I've hit the button on the remote, it started and it's ran and it's blowing air. So I don't know how it could keep from it with 8 of those blades turning. But anyway, I've been slow on getting the videos out. We've moved and have not had internet up here, so I haven't been able to get anything out. So hopefully I'll get a few more coming. But until the next time, we'll catch you later.